When I close my eyes, the world doesn't disappear. It becomes different, deeper, more real. I feel the wind touching my face like an invisible hand, gentle and tender. I hear the birds singing. Their voices are colors that cannot be seen, but can be felt. We are used to thinking that we see the world as it is. But the world is not only what is in front of our eyes. It is sounds, smells, textures. It is what we hear, feel, breathe. The world is what remains, even when the light goes out. But what if your world was only sound, only sensations, only memory? Now, open your